know kung saan siya dapat pupunta or magde-deliver. Pero buti na nga lang pinauwi siya ng kanyang work. Kaya nakakatakot din talaga yung sa trabaho niya. Very risky. Love, why did you decide to go home?
Because I would have had to do my 10-hour break before the storm arrived. And then when it was time for me to wake up and go do more working, I would have been stuck in the snowstorm. And I can't drive out of it because it's just too much snow. Or, well, there's no way to know, really. Maybe I could, but probably not because it was probably too much. And then I didn't want to do that because I would have had to be stuck in the truck for 24 hours doing nothing just to get in one extra job. Or I could tell them, you know, I don't want that job and just go home. And so that's what I did. It's hard to make good decisions because they don't tell me what ahead of time what I'm supposed to be doing, and then they tell me at the last minute what I'm supposed to be doing, and then I got to be thinking about my sleep and when am I sleeping and when am I awake, and then if the timing doesn't match up with my sleeping, it's like it's a big mess. I don't know. In this case, I was what was going wrong because I didn't want to be stuck out in that storm for a day. I don't know if I'm expected to be stuck in the storm or not expected to be stuck in the storm. Personally, I don't want to be, so I came home. But I guess that was my other option, was to go be stuck.
Siyempre, masaya kami ni Zira dahil nakauwi agad si Mr. Nag-day off kasi siya. So, bumalik siya ng work Thursday morning na. And then, Saturday ng umaga, bumalik na nga siya. Kasi nga, dahil sa snowstorm. Pero syempre, merong kasamang disadvantages yun. Dahil yung kanyang earnings maapektuhan. Kasi nga, ilang days lang siya ng work. Pero at least, mas okay na yun. Safe siya. Kasi naman, di ba, mag-take ng risk na salubungan yung snowstorm. Cute ni Zira. Dito na kami sa loob ng Walmart. How are you? How are you? Where's Dada? Dito sa amin hindi pwede yung pasweet lang na mga jacket at pasweet na boots. Talagang dapat waterproof. Ayan, kuha tayo ng toothpaste. Andito na naman tayo sa toy area. Dagdag kalat na naman ng baby Shing Shing. Sold out? The salt? Sold out na daw yung salt. Kailangan namin ng salt kasi nga sobrang icy doon sa harapan namin. Hindi ka na naman ako madulas. Mati si Mister eh. Madulas talaga siya. You want that, baby? You like that? Gonna be, are you practicing to be like an ate? Choose baby, boy or girl? Girl? Kuha tayo ng diaper ni Zara. Size 6 is Zara. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa meat section. Gaga. Kuha tayo nito. Nag-crave ako ng donuts, pero parang masyado siya matatamis. So, ito. Try natin ito kung masarap. Kuha tayo ng cabbage. Maliit lang. Is this cabbage, love? This is not cabbage. This is lettuce. Ito pala ang cabbage. Yan. Kuha din tayo ng green. Dito naman tayo sa mga fruits. So far, ito na ang laman ng ating cart. Mukhang medyo mapapamahal tayo ngayong week. Check out tayo na tayo. Yan ang ating babayaran for the week. Yum yum. Si Zara, tuwang-tuwa sa grapefruit. Naglalaruan niya. Baby, don't do that. It's dirty. We are back home and mag-start na tayo mag-grocery shopping haul. Honeydew, I think it's the same. Do I need to put in the fridge? Vanilla ice cream. Bread. Hindi ko na kinuha yung Dunkin Donuts. Hindi ko na kinuha yung donuts kasi parang sobrang tamis niya. And since pregnant tayo, as much as possible talaga, iwas sa sobrang tatamis. Green beans, cherry tomatoes, 2 strawberries, celery sticks, avocados, mango, apples, garlic, cooked shrimp, rice, carrots, pork, chuck roast siya, pork chops, and pork belly, book para kay Zera, instant noodles, 2 tortilla chips, paper towels,
An easy release, non-stick, inside and out for easy cleanup, steel construction, durable, warp resistant, drop down handles for easy cleaning and compact storage, removable rack, roasting pan.
so roasting pan, toothpaste, mini peppers, Fiesta mix cheese, Vienna sausage, chicharon, blueberries, enchilada sauce, guacamole, taco seasoning mix, black beans, elbow pasta, tomato ketchup, baking soda, tomato paste, spam, black ripe olives, and then isa pang instant noodles, another instant noodles, garlic powder, Hans tomato petite diced, then Hans fire roasted diced, another tomato paste with pesto, pickles and olives, cabbage, mini croissant, banana, apples ulit, and then grapefruit, grapes, smoky chipotle, coffee, whole milk, crackers and cookies, real bacon pieces, and then black chocolates, drinks, mango coconut drinks, coconut water, apple juice, and pure Castile soap. So, yun yung ating pinamili for this week. And yung total niya is $334.78. So, medyo mataas yung pinamili natin ngayong week. Pero kung nakita niyo naman, sobrang dami niya. Si Mr. ngayon, nagpre-prepare na ng aming lunch/dinner. Kasi hapon na, Mexican food ang kanyang piniprepare. Tapos ngayon, gumagawa din siya ng smoothies. So, kung nakita niyo yung kanina, di ba? Nung nandun kami sa Walmart, out of stock na yung salt. Kasi nga dahil lagi nag-snow and kagabi nag-snowstorm pa. Tapos, nung nakaraan umulan, so parang naghalo siya, kaya dumulas yung nagkaroon ng ice and kailangan talaga ng mga tao ngayon dito ng salt, kaya out of stock siya. Pero sabi ni Mr., kung wala naman daw salt, pwede naman daw gamitin ang, what else can you use, love? Aside from salt, sand, and what else?
We're just gonna ignore it. You can use ignorance.
Ignorance. Baby, oh my God! Zaira. Ito yung beans na pinapakuluan ni Mr. Si Zaira ay cranky. Magulo na naman sa bahay namin. Pasensya na dahil I already gave her dede. Before we left.
Yeah, but it's
So, ito yung status sa labas. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda-ganda ng snow. Sabi ni Mr. maganda nga daw maglaro ngayon or bumuo ngayon ng snowman. Kaya lang sobrang lamig. Umiinom si Zaira ng smoothies gawa ng kanyang dada. So, ayun lang for today's video. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. So, purely grocery shopping and grocery shopping haul lang tayo. Thank you so much again for watching and see you again next time. Bye!